Good morning, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Money Fridays. How's everybody this morning? We have a looks like it's gonna be a scanner day today. Thus far, it is early, but it's looking mighty slow. Um, the most active that's in a lower float is CRBP, but that's as you see, nothing is really going anywhere. It dipped down. Um, I see that there is going to be a reverse split for TTNP. Let's see when it's going to be here. It's a 1 for 6, so that'll just basically take the share size to like $1.20. Let's see when it said it has filed an amendment to its certificate of incorporation that will affect a 1 for 6 reverse split of the company's issued and outstanding shares. Blah blah blah. Become effective at 5 p.m. Thursday. So basically, after hours yesterday, it became effective. So therefore, today it will open, as you can see here. It says common stock will begin trading on a split adjusted basis Friday. That's today. So yeah, it doesn't show yet. If you're looking at the chart, it doesn't show as of yet. It's still showing it down here at like 22 cent, but it should open up at like 120, 130, $1.20, $1.30. And we all know those reverse splits. You want to keep an eye on them. Sometimes they're not primed and ready the first day that they open up with the split. Sometimes it takes a couple days before it takes off or gets noticed, or some news comes through for it to, or a catalyst that'll push it. And then sometimes it's on that same day that the split happens that the stock takes off. So just keep an eye on it. TTNP has no volume now, uh, zero volume. So a lot of people don't even know about it. But me and my tools, I try to stay ahead of the curve there. But anyways, I'm not gonna be long here today, um, because right now it's very slow. It's kind of been that way in the small caps pretty much all this week. You had a couple movers here and there. Like one a day. That you had to catch. But something I learned about Fridays, honestly, a lot of people say Fridays are slow or they lose a lot of money. I honestly see a lot of action. In my experience, it's something about Fridays. It's like, I don't know what it is, but more times than not, more times than you hear that it's not doing anything, I actually see a lot of movers. I don't know if it's the end of the week, people's trying to either profit or either sell their position so they can take their profits for the weekend and go spend it however they want to spend it, um, or what. But anyway, I usually see pretty good opportunities. So each person has their own opinion about Fridays and days of the week. But I will say earlier this week, it's been slow, man. It's been slow. And if you watch my trade recaps, you'll see, the types of trades that I have taken, and on the symbols that I've taken them on. It's symbols that nobody talks about. It's like unpopular symbols like AQ and UCTT and all kind of foolishness. The reason why is because with SureTrader, my brokerage, the very popular stocks are not, they're restricted from using margin. So I could trade them, but I would be using my equity. And with a stock that's like $3, $4, $5, $6, you're only gonna get like 20 shares. With this kind of money, so it's not even worth using your money. So anyway, like MBOT, That was one that kind of shot up again this week. It's been on a tear for a while, but MBOT, I can't use margin on it. BLNK, couldn't use margin even though it had a nice spike up. Somebody was saying BOSC. Honestly, I don't even know if that one is well, actually, that one was not restricted. So, but I just didn't catch this one. That would have been a nice little move here. But anyway, it was under $3, so I wouldn't have been able to use margin anyway. And by the time it hit $3, it just barely went over. And like most stocks do, with that $3 mark, it barely went over and then came down. So that one was tradable. I just did not catch it because my scanner doesn't pick up stocks under $3 anyway. So that's why I didn't catch that one. But anyway, most of the stocks that have been tradable this week, that have been, I'm sorry, not tradable, the ones that have been, the most volatile in the small cap market, it's just kind of frustrating. But you have to learn how to work around it. You have to, that's just like life, man. You have to adjust. You have to learn what they say, adapt or die. That's the saying that one of my family members, one of my cousins, used to always say. Adapt or die, and that's so true. You have to adapt, or just get left behind. You can't, stay living in Wonderland, or living in a getting stuck in a time machines or something like that. You have to adapt. So if I can't trade certain stocks, don't sit and cry about it. Look for other opportunities. Make something else work. They might not move as fast. It might not move as furious or anything like that, but make it work. You know, adjust a strategy that will fit those types of stocks. Maybe it'll take 30 minutes for you to make 20 cents instead of 2 minutes to make 20-cent gain. But hey, 20 cent is 20 cent. Or $1,000 is $1,000, however you want to look at it, money wise or cent wise or whatever. So that's how that works. So, but anyway, I've been taking a couple trades. Oh yeah, taking the gloves off today, guys. Taking the gloves off. So what I mean by that is like right now. Okay, I'm gonna give you an example. All right, you see this stock. You see the amount of shares here. Now let me go ahead and hit my hotkey, and it's gonna fill it up, populate it based on my buying power, because I'm gonna use all my buying power. Here it is. So I would be able to get 1,248 shares of this stock. Well, it's under $3, so I take that back. So let me find something that's $3. All right, let me just make an example here. All right, well, nah, because the ask is too high. Let me find something. But you get the idea. You get the idea. So right now, if I want to jump in this play, I just hit my hotkey. I would get 806 shares. 806 shares I could get. So I'm leaving. I'm going far away from that 300 shares. I'm not messing with the 300 anymore, because not while I'm down at this level. The reason why is because the type of stocks that I could play, they don't move much in one direction or the other. Now, if I were able to play those symbols that I named earlier that's restricted, like MBOT, and the ones that I know that'll shoot up quickly, I can take 300 shares. Or you could take 300 shares because it can go up 50 cent in a matter of seconds. But most of the plays that I play, they don't move that fast because I have to go around those restrictions. And the ones that I play, they kind of move slower. So those 300 shares is just not working for that type of strategy. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm upping it. I'm upping it. I'm upping the stakes. All or nothing. All or nothing. That's basically what it boiled down to. I'm down here to the $500. You got to be very careful with the trade I take, but I'm confident in my strategy. I know my strategy works. Yesterday, I took a couple trades that I know that they were actually against my strategy, but I know when you're aware of that and I know that, then I know what to do to fix it. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna get out of your hair here. Just looking around one more time. Look at this market one more time. Let's see what's going on. Again, like I said, starting out pretty fairly slow. Let's look at the SPY. SPY has scalped up. So, but what I've learned normally though, what I have learned over the years is when the SPY is doing good, when the overall market is doing very good, the small cap market usually is a bit slow. It's almost like an inverse effect. Not an inverse, because that would mean that the small caps are going down. But it's just that not much attention goes into the small caps, so therefore the volume is low. When the overall market is doing good, the large caps are the ones that get all the volume and attention. The Apples and the Facebooks and the Twitters and the UPSs and all that type of stuff. Those get the attention because I guess the public sees that the market is doing good, so now they want to buy in, and the only stocks that they really know about are those blue chip stocks. The stocks that that they actually can go into the store every day and see these places, Amazon and all those types of places. So now when the market goes down, I mean it's not good obviously for anybody, but for small cap market, that's when we get all the attention. I guess people are looking for opportunities, so they say, okay, well the big market is going down, so let me try to find somewhere where some money or opportunity to make some money, and then they start to go over into the small cap, futures, small caps, options, and every other thing. They kind of like everybody spreads out, like roaches. Not not to say it like that, but they scatter to other things, scatter to other areas. It's just like you put the light on or something, and you see them scattering everywhere. That's kind of what it is. But not gonna hold you up too much longer. I'm gonna get ready to do my market research here, and I'll get back with you if I can. If I make some trades a day, or a trade, or a couple, I will be posting it up here. All right, guys, take care. If you like what you're listening to or seeing here, and you want to learn more and keep up, hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the like button. It won't cost you anything to do that. And also, you're putting out good juju for yourself, good juju into the universe. And it comes back to you anyway. So go ahead and hit that and help me, help you, help you, help me, and help us all. All right, guys. Have a good one. Good weekend. If I don't make any trades, have a good weekend. I'll see you either later today or next week.